Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can bypass FRP on Samsung Galaxy S9. As you can see, the phone I have right now is locked by FRP and it's on the latest security version. So I'm going to show you how you can simply remove it just by one click. So you have to download the following tool from the link in description and connect your phone with your PC. Once connected, simply click here on the second option and then you're gonna see this pop up here. So now you have to go to emergency tab of your phone and dial the following code, and that's it. Now it will ask you for the USB debugging permission. Simply allow this. And that's it guys. Now your phone will be simply bypassed. So guys, that's how you can bypass the FRP on Samsung Galaxy S9.